In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in OneNote. We'll start on the web so you can follow along from any computer, then I'll show you exactly how to remove a page you no longer need. Open your browser and go to onenote.cloud.microsoft. If you're asked, sign in with your Microsoft account so you can access your notebooks. Once the OneNote web app loads, you'll see your notebooks or a clean workspace. To keep things clear for this demo, click Create New Notebook. This gives us a fresh place to work without affecting anything important. Give the notebook a simple name you'll recognize and let it finish creating. It only takes a moment. When it opens, you'll notice the standard OneNote layout, notebooks on the left, sections in the middle, and pages on the right. Next, add a page. In the Pages pane, select Add Page to create a blank page. This is the item we'll remove in a moment. You can type a quick title at the top so it stands out. Remember that in OneNote, pages live inside sections, so you're deleting the specific page, not the entire section or notebook. When you're ready to delete the page, first locate it in the Pages list and click it once to select it. Then, right-click with your mouse to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. The menu gives you options that apply to the selected page. From that menu, click Delete Page. OneNote will remove the page from the list. If a confirmation prompt appears in your browser, choose Delete to proceed. This action targets only the page you selected, so your other pages and sections remain untouched. If you change your mind immediately after deleting, use Undo to bring it back. Depending on your version, deleted pages may also be recoverable for a short time, but it's always best to double check that you're deleting the right page before you confirm. A quick glance at the title and contents can save you from extra work later. And that's it. You went to the OneNote web app, created a new notebook, added a page, selected it, right-clicked, and chose Delete Page. Use the same approach anytime you need to tidy up your notes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to practice.